What's up guys, in this episode of Tough Street Cars, this is part 2 of Lygon Street Car Show. So, there's the last car that we recorded. There's the Chevy. Bro, I'm just, what the hell? What the hell? It's like a movie. Corner. I haven't seen one of those. That looks right. Fairlane. Oh, hey! Hey, no. That's in our car club, the Chevy over there. Remember at the cruise? Shout out to this. 5C's Car Club. 5C's Car Club. Shout out to them. That's our club. That's a nice Mustang, guys. That's a hot Mustang. That's hot. That's skilled right here. Damn. Nice XY GT. See that Chevy over there? And there's that beautiful Monaro. But yeah, that Chevy over there is from our club, 5C's. One minute. Oh, guys, it's the bird. Oh, what the hell? Oh,
that's what you want.
I want one of them. I'm in heaven. Oh, guys, I'm in heaven. I'm in heaven. That Monaro over there. That's alright, too. This car show is like so good. Oh, thank you. After 6 months after lockdown, they give us this. This is great. Thank you.
Just the one?
Yeah. The Toronto boy.
I used to have one that colours that. Remember the one in Rye? Same colour?
Now, there's some cars over there we'll look at maybe, but I'm just gonna stand here a bit and watch the Toronto. That's alright, that's nice. I saw that yesterday, that car. Again, guys! Here he comes again! Holy shit!
I told you would come. Hey,
Got the biker gang rolling in, guys! Biker gang rolling in! Holy shit! Mustang right here. Got the beautiful LC or LJ Toronto over there. I'll check the back lights. Beautiful. Oh, that sounds tough.
Yeah, this bike's gonna go on.
That is, I think, an LJ. LJ. Top Toronto.
We're going across the other side.
Alright. Sorry guys, that's the flight. Oh, this is heaven. This is heaven right here, bro. Damn, that's tough. That's tough, alright. That's hot. Which way are we going? This way? Alright, we're going this way. Wow, look at that. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. As you know, guys, we did bring the Tirana. Yeah. What the hell? It's like a war. That's right. It's so loud over here, guys. Guys. Guys.
If you give me the money back, I'll give you the plates.
That's nice. Guys, it's so loud over here. You need to come here, guys. If you got a tough car, come here and it can be on YouTube. Why I didn't?
Oh, that's who you should drive, one of those.
Yeah, bro. You gotta buy one. Damn, bro. Damn. Look at Lygon Street. It's all taken over. This Monaro I showed once, but I'm gonna show it twice because it's tough as. Oh, is that VK? Oh no, it's VC. VC Como. Commodore. Taken over, guys. The streets are taken over. Hopefully my friend Zach's gonna come with his dad because his dad's got a really beautiful tough Monaro. That is. Damn. What is that? That's. Oh, guys, it's back. It's back, guys. Wow, look at that thickness. It's back. We heard this thing start up. It's just give a nice little tour of the engine right here. Holy. Bro, this is like. Oh, shit. Bro, what the hell? Shit. Oh, wow. Guys,
like
just...
never moved from here.
Yeah. It's literally like it's never dirty in here. Just give a nice little tour of the engine right here. Damn. Look at that blower. It screams. It wants to be burnt. It wants to do burnouts. This car wants to do burnouts at summer nights. I swear, it wants to do burnouts at summer nights. I think I have seen it at summer nights. I think. Yeah, this car screams burnouts. Yo, no. This car screams burnouts. Look at them thick rubber, and it's so low. Look at this fitment. Oh, those are the rims I love. This car, shout out to this guy right here. Whoever made this car and whoever built it, shout out to him. He has done a perfection of a job right here. Shout out to that guy right there. Big old fat Chev. I'm in love with blowers. I'm a turbo kid. I like turbos, but I just love blowers. Oh, there's that. Oh, blower. This car spun the wheels before. Cheeky little guy right here. This one looks pretty nice. It's just a hot rod, standard hot rod. It's just standard hot rod. Thunderbird in a beautiful blue. Look at these seats. Oh, that interior. One of my favorite cars right here. This is my. Oh, look at that. That's hot. Look at this. One of my dream cars. This is probably my dream car. LX Tirana. SR 5000. My dream car right here. And then my second is a Veil. But this I'd get any day. You know, it's good. Oh, another car. Is that? They're doing like chap laps here. They're going up and back and up and back. They're doing like Lygon Street chap laps. Lygon laps. That's tough. You know, they're doing Lygon laps. That's what I'm just gonna call it. This is for you you rich guys out there who just want to see a rich car. This is for you guys. No, I'm not showing nothing like that because it's bad. Sorry guys. Yeah. This bike's alright. Okay. I see a little ute in the background that freaking has hydraulics. Holy shit. That looks alright too. Oh my god, they're doing... That's the truck I saw. What the hell is that? That's a piece of crap right there. Ooh, back to this baby right here. Oh. So it looks alright. But when you look in the engine, it's got an Alice. Same with this one right here.
My brother sold his for $13,000. And now it's worth...
Look at this now. As you know guys, we got the Tirana here. We got the Tirana and we got the engine. Look at this engine right here. Beautiful. But guys, we brought the Tirana. This is my dream car. You know I'm getting it when I'm older. But guys, this right here, we brought it. We brought the Tirana, the Tough Street Cars Tirana. Yeah, this is our car, the Tough Street Cars Tirana. So guys, yeah, we built it. Me and my grandfather, my nonno, we built it together. Oh, there's a Mustang over there. Yep, we built it together. It's good. I've grown up in this car. This car I got my nonna got when I was in my mom's stomach. So like this is my car. This is the car that I grew up in. So this is my sweetheart. I love this car. I can't stop looking at this. I can't stop. It's just got too much to not look at. It's just beautiful color. It's beautiful. They're doing Lygon laps. I swear they are. That's a new thing that I've done. Lygon laps. I swear. Oh, there's a hot rod right there. I see a car over there. It looks pretty sick. Lygon Street is my favourite. My favourite. Guys, it's so bloody loud over here. So bloody loud. What are you doing? That's like our Commodore, guys. The orange Commodore that literally did not take nothing. Guys, that was look at our Commodore. Look at damn rims. It's a wagon. Damn, boy, this is bringbacks to the 50s. Or sort of. It's kind of the 60s. I'm not really good at the American cars. Ah, it's the fat Chevy. It's the fat Chevy over there. It's fat Chevy. Big, nice, yummy Chevy over there. It's red. It's beautiful. It's gonna blow up. So. Here comes a Premier HX. Guys, so bloody loud over here. You guys, if you live in Australia, you need to come here. Look at all the people. Look at all the cars. The whole Lygon Street is bloody taken over by cars. Yes, the whole bloody Lygon Street is taken over by